In this video, I'm going to review the ElevenLabs Callum voice and show you why this voice becomes such a popular choice for narration, tutorials, and creator content. First, make sure you open your ElevenLabs. Now, go to the voices and then search for Callum. After that, preview the voice before selecting it. So Callum was one of the ElevenLabs default voices and was known for a casual, natural speaking style. However, there's an important 2026 update. ElevenLabs is replacing its all default voices, and Callum is scheduled to expire on December 31, 2026. It suggests replacement is Kellan, casual friendly speaker. Now let's test Callum with a real script instead of relying on the preview. Open your text to speech, select Callum from the voice drop down, and then choose your preferred modal and paste around 2 or 3 paragraphs in here. The first thing to listen for is the natural pacing. Callum works particularly well when your script sounds conversational rather than overly formal. You can use normal punctuation, short paragraphs, and right the way you'd actually speak. Next, test different content style. Try a YouTube tutorial, an educational explanation, and a short form hook. Now, you can adjust the voice settings, which is the stability. You can adjust it to the natural, to robust, to creative. So don't simply push every settings to the maximum. You can compare the results and choose the version that sounds the most consistent while still having enough expressions. If you're using the 11 version 3, you can also experiment with the audio tags like shout, laugh, angry, cry, or whatever you want your AI to have an emotion on that script. So ElevenLabs describes version 3 as its most expressive speech model and specifically recommends selecting voices that work well with the type of performance you're creating. But here's the biggest thing to remember. Callum isn't necessarily the best voice per project. A voice that sounds amazing for tutorials might not work for an audiobook, advertisement, character, or serious documentary. And because the original Callum is being phased out, test Kellan as well. ElevenLabs says the replacement voices aren't guaranteed to be identical one to one, so compare both before switching your existing workflow. And that's it. That's how you can test the ElevenLabs Callum voice and understand why it works so well and find the right replacement before the original voice disappears. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.